I'm going to take good care of her.
Oh, bless you, Paddy.
Oh.
You're setting me off.
Ha mi tílag go balla éili an tálaigh Angie agus na cúlainn bhíalchú éiche.
So, which one is coming to Oban?
Agus ha nuair go fíomh cáilnas áte an bhain amach.
Oh my goodness, you're not a wee sausage anymore.
So,
Oh, hello. Hi.
Pàdruig McQueen,
Is this her?
meet your puppy.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Oh, she is adorable. Oh, hello. Oh, you're just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I'm used to small dogs. And this is you at 10 weeks.
She's small at the moment.
Yeah, you're going to get so big. Oh, hello. Wel, sy'n gofyn ar caradian.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh, thank you so much. I'm going to take good care of her.
Oh, bless you, Paddy.
Oh.
You're setting me off. Very special.
It's very special.
And she
Oh, no crying on camera again.
knows it, don't you? She's smiling at you.
You know what we're going to call her?
What are you going to call
We're going to
her?
call her Sula.
Oh, sweet.
Eh? Sula. Prippen na Sula. Eh? In the blink of an eye.
Just love her. Just love her.
Yeah.
She'll teach you lots.
I'm completely smitten already. Thanks again.